Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for Quick Queue. It's the app located here. I'll be showing this in Windows, but it'll look very similar on your Mac. So I'll go ahead and I'll start by naming a questionnaire template, and it jumps right into the first question of your questionnaire. So you want to choose the type of question first. Go ahead and familiarize yourself with each one. Some of them are self-explanatory, like an open text or multiple choice, and maybe a Likert scale, things like that. But for this example, I'll just use multiple choice. I'll say what is da da da, and then let's put in some answers. Say 1, 2, 3. Let's preview that. Anytime you want to update your preview of the question, just hit preview. Let's say you want to insert an image. So let's say that. Okay, took a minute, but here we go. So now you can see have a PlayStation controller there. You can resize that, scale it down or scale it up. If you hold shift, it will maintain the aspect ratio. Okay, so then you can hit save, and you have the basic questionnaire setup. You can go ahead and add more questions, or if you click here, you can edit, copy, or delete that question. And then up here, you can add a page and then change the header for that one. Or you can take that page and go ahead and delete that page. We'll hit save. I already set one up here. So if you ever want to look at this just in HTML so that you can maybe print it out if you wanted a hard copy, you can do that. I'll just open in your default browser. It won't look too pretty, but it's just a basic setup. So you can see I set up a Likert scale and just maybe a multiple choice. And I'm just going to close that. This will be the title of your questionnaire. I just put one, but it could be a long thing here. Okay, but usually you'll have participants and you want to get feedback. So we'll go ahead and hit this. This is the deploy questionnaire button, and these are templates up here. So I'll click this, and it drops down here. You can always delete, and we'll do the analysis later and look at the results. Let's go ahead and run. So you can see, let's say I was participant number 1, as it says up here. I will go ahead and answer these questions, and then I go to the next page, which you can see there's another page up here. And then had I built in some more questions, they would be here. But then I'll just hit submit. And then let's say I'll run it again as if I'm another participant. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, let's send the data off to Excel, and it shows that it built the Excel spreadsheet. And look at the results in the results folder. We're going to open up the spreadsheet. It may take a minute. Just a note, we've just went into the results folder from within the app. You can always check out the results just going directly here if you're coming in to the main menu. Okay, click yes. And you can see it lists each participant and their feedback for each question. You can go ahead and copy and paste this data into a stat package if you have that, and so that's convenient. It's set up that way as participants are running vertically. Each tab is a page. This would be page 1, and that would be page 2 had we had any questions. Now, one thing to show you, we jump back to the questionnaire. So you can alter the order of questions. So let's say you didn't want this to be question 1 anymore, you want it to be question 2. So you just drag it down, and then you can see they swap places. Also, let's just call this H2. Okay, you can see I'm just going to drag this over here if you want to change pages, and you can see they swapped. So that's basically it, and hope you enjoy it.